Hello, this is Mary Gunn of Mary Gunn Fun, your intrepid host of Craft Roulette with a little different kind of video today. I'm going to do an unboxing for a new product sponsor that we have. We're excited to announce just in a minute or two, but bear with me as I describe what we are talking about. At Craft Roulette, we do not get financial compensation from all those wonderful spin sponsors. It's just not how we work. But they give their stuff away to you, and sometimes they give their stuff away to me. But we do have certain people that we have special relationships with, including Catherine Pooler Inc., Your Paper Insider, and Glassboard Studios. Plus, there's wonderful people that you know often that send me products such as Trinity, Waffle Flour, and Desiree Tangles. You see me use them, but they do not expect me to use them. So that's that. We do have an official product sponsor to announce today, though. I've had a lot of fun with a bunch of alcohol markers over there. I remember when alcohol markers were new. We used to have all sorts of water-based markers. They were fun too, but we always had problems with streaking and running and all sorts of stuff. Then alcohol markers came along, and they were a wonderful change to the industry. So much so that we have several options now that we used to not have in the early days of alcohol markers. I was watching a Creativation recap with Cassie Trask a couple years ago, and she was with a lovely lady named Lori Craig at Olo. I guess it doesn't matter. Yes, it does matter if it's upside down or wrong side up. But at an Olo booth, and I said, those Olo markers are different. They're special, I can tell. And I started talking to Lori Craig right then and there. I think that next week I sent her an email and said, we really want you to get involved with Craft Roulette. They were very new, and they just weren't quite ready for us. So that was great. We had Lori on just a couple months ago. Really enjoyed her. Another Midwest girl. She was a lot of fun. And after we had her on the show, we had a little chit-chat with her about having Olo be a product sponsor for Craft Roulette. And they said yes. So with that, you want to see what I got? Ta-da! Whoa, there's not much else to see, is there? I got a great big old box. They were so incredibly generous. They offered to give me the tower and a full set of markers. I really don't know what's in here, but I went ahead and upgraded to a complete set of markers and paid for the difference. But so I should have like every color in the universe right here in this box, and I'm excited. This is a cute little cutter that I got from Crystal Wyckoff. Okay, here we go. Well, that doesn't look like markers. But that says Big Olo right there. Okay, here we go. Crunchity, crunchity. We've got a little sticker here or something. I really don't have any idea what we're getting in here, except that I have this one Olo marker. That's all I have, and I love it. We got some premium marker blending card. I got a feeling that will make my work even better. We've got white Olo and black Olo stickers. I'm just throwing it all on the floor. Did you see my video today, getting ready for May? You know what my floor looks like. Oh my golly. We got color. We got heart of color. I know also that their how the heck do you get in here? I also know that their website has a lot. Okay, here we go. I gotta have some more space. That must be my upgrade. I will work on my tower while Mr. Producer tries to open the box. This one looks better for the old gal. I don't know what I was saying. What, did you do it that easily? The pressure of a camera. Here we go. Everything smells good. Ah. El Senor Tower, and he dances. And he's got lots of holes. And he's got a spinner. I bet he and Mr. Wheel will get along just fine. Okay. Everything spins around here. Oh, look at this, would you? Some little Ulo stickers. Build your own marker. So that's their thing. One of their things. They don't have the spongy middle. They just, look how short and cute that is. They don't have the spongy middle. They have a fountain kind of thing. They've got just a reservoir. And so the ink flows differently than it might flow with some of the other products. And then they have this little ring that you can put two similar colors, I assume, which I don't know yet, but they just twist into make one gigantic, beautiful, they're not huge. My hands are little and that's not too big. One really easy to handle kind of brush tip. I think it's good. What I know I'm going to most likely have to really work on is a light hand, because I know this stuff comes out a lot faster than some markers. I've heard that. I've also heard that it does take some training and some practice. So no, I'm going to have to color. How fun is that? And let's see what this is. The other thing is Lori. Oh, how cute. This makes the whole set. I got it all, boys and girls. I am not a full set syndrome kind of person, but I can see where it happens. This is fun. But Lori's going to do some videos with me, at least one, and if I don't drive her too crazy, maybe she'll do some more. But she's going to teach me how to use them and color. So be watching right here on the YouTube channel for Craft Roulette, and we'll see what I can learn. I'm not the best student, but I hope she's a good teacher. I know she is. So I think we'll be fine, but thank you so much, Olo. I am so excited to have you as a product sponsor with Craft Roulette. I hope we have a wonderful, wonderful long-term relationship. I appreciate you all. Join me on this journey if you want. We have an affiliate link that you can find on craftroulette.live/sponsors. Thank you all and have a colorful night. Bye-bye.